FreaEnergy is a trailblazing AI startup dedicated to transforming industrial applications through cutting-edge AI innovation.
In industries where rotary machines play a critical role, such as pumps, turbines, and compressors, operational efficiency is paramount. These machines are continuously monitored through advanced instrumentation, providing valuable performance data that serves as a historical record of their operation. Rotary machines are essential to key industries, including hydroelectric plants, petrochemical facilities, refineries, water pump stations, geothermal power plants, oil wellheads, gas reservoirs, and gas pressure boosting stations. They are also integral to large-scale transportation systems such as ocean liners, oil tankers, and aircraft engines. Traditionally, maintenance for these machines follows scheduled inspections and servicing routines. However, real-time data from installed instruments offers a more dynamic approach, one that enables early detection of potential failures or emerging performance issues. By leveraging artificial intelligence, we can analyze historical machine data to predict failures before they occur. This predictive maintenance approach not only enhances machine reliability, but also prevents unexpected shutdowns and catastrophic failures in critical operations. Ultimately, AI-driven insights reduce maintenance costs, optimize operational efficiency, and safeguard industries against severe disruptions. With AI-powered failure prediction, businesses can move beyond reactive maintenance strategies to a proactive, cost-effective, and resilient future. FreaEnergy is an innovative AI startup committed to revolutionizing industrial maintenance and reliability through cutting-edge, data-driven AI models for predictive failure detection in rotary machines.